This instructional video will show you how to upload a batch of user accounts. First thing you'll need to do is create the CSV file. Okay, so to create a CSV file, you can use Microsoft Excel, Google Spreadsheets, Notepad, TextPad, or it could be some output from one of your applications that can export users in a CSV file format. You need to have this specific format, and that is, first column will be first name, second column is last name, followed by email, and then the fourth is user login. If you leave this blank, the system will use what value you put in for email. Okay, so for the sake of time, I'm going to paste in some users that I created previously. And so here I'm going to spread this out for you. As you can see, in some cases I've left user login blank, and others I've actually specified a value, so we'll compare how the system handles that. And then of course the next crucial step is to save this in the appropriate format. So we're going to do a save as, other formats, select save as type, and we're going to select CSV, and I'll click save. Okay, so you now have your CSV file saved, and you'll upload that from the application, which will be the next step. So log back into your service as the Identity Domain Management Console Administrator. Next step will be to navigate to the Manage Users link here. And we'll click on Load Users. So we'll click on Browse. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Upload Users 7, the file I just created. Click Upload. It says file has been successfully uploaded. User records are scheduled to be created shortly. Okay, so at this point, we're going to go ahead and wait until we receive email notification that the users have been uploaded. Okay, so I received my user loading completed email notification from the application, and it let me know that a total number of 7 records were processed, and of those 7, 6 processed successfully and were uploaded, and 1 failed. And here it tells me that the details of that failure for jfallon and snl, org could not be created, and the reason is because it's not a proper email format. It's a comma here instead of a dot, and I did that intentionally to point that out. Okay, so now I'm back in my Identity Domain Management Console. I'm going to go ahead and type in SNL as my search criteria. Click Search, and here we go. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 records, as the message stated. Jimmy Fallon is one that's missing. You'll notice also that where I indicated a custom user ID, those appeared, so T. Fay, Fletch, and Amy Poe, for instance. Otherwise, they defaulted to the email address given. So at this point, I'd go back and fix any errors. But other than that, I'm all set. So you've now successfully uploaded your users to the Identity Console. Okay, so what you've accomplished so far is you've created your CSV file and uploaded that to the Identity Console with all your users. You received email confirmation of the upload. You reviewed for any errors, and of course if you have errors, go back and fix those and reload or add your users manually. And then the next steps will be to assign roles to your users and provide access details to your users. So you'll need to send them the URL to the Identity Console so they can change their temporary sign-in credentials, and a link to the service so they can actually get up and running. And that's it. That completes this demo. Hope you enjoyed it, and take care. For more information, see the Oracle Cloud homepage. Thank you, and have a great day.